We are going to chant Om. Inhale. 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 Inhale, look up, chin up. Exhale, look down, chin down. Inhale up, look up, chin up. Exhale, look down, chin down. Last one, inhale, look up, chin up. 3, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, exhale, change your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit bow, high thigh lean. Thausa, high thigh back side. Hit bow lean. Thausa back. Inhale, raise your both hand up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one, inhale up, look up, chin up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale back side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, raise your both hand up, high thigh lean. Turn your body right side, bend 5. Hit violin. Tha bend chai. Hit violin. Tha bend 5. Hit violin. Tha bend chai. Inhale up. Exhale right side and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale up. Exhale left side and stay. Move high. Ba. Bunam. Hit bow high thigh lean. Thausa high thigh swang. Thang thigh down sung. Inhale up. Look up, chin up. Dowlin McLean. Thausa sung. Hit violin. Thausa sung. Hit violin. Thausa sung. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit violin. Thausa right side, look back. Inhale up. Exhale left side, look back. Inhale up. Exhale right side, look back. Inhale up. Exhale left side, look back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale up. Exhale right side, look back and stay. 1, 2. Inhale. Exhale right hand up. Inhale. Exhale left hand up. Hit bow. Thausa right hand up. Hit bow. Thausa left hand up. Inhale. Exhale right hand up and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale up. Exhale left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now both palms over your shoulder and slowly rotate your shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Change your side, Samsam. Move. Hai, ba, bun, nam, sao, bai, tam, chin, moi. Good, nice. Drop your right elbow down. Tai chai over your head. Nice. Inhale center. Exhale left side. Inhale center. Exhale right side down. Hit bow center. Thousa left side down. Hit center. Tha right side down. Hit center. Tha left side down. Inhale center. Exhale right side. Now thang thai, straight hand down. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale. Exhale left side. Thang thai. Mode. Hai. Ba. Bunna. Both leg front and shake your leg. Lakchang. First, legs together and rotate your ankle joint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. High thigh lean. Raise your both head up. Turn your body right side. Bend 5. High thigh swung. Dao sung. Forehead touch to mat. Inhale up. Exhale left side. Bend chai. Hit violin. Thousa bend 5. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale right side. Forehead touch to mat and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale up. Exhale left side and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come center. Both leg high chin. Fold. High thigh back side. Both hand back side. Inhale hip up. Mam lane. Thousa mam swang. Hit violin. Thousa sung. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale up. Chang Phai lane. Right leg up. Straight up. Thang chang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sim sim. Inhale up. Chang chai lane. Left leg up. 1, 2. Thousa right side down. Inhale up. Exhale left side down. Inhale up. Exhale right side down. Inhale up. Exhale left side down. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale right side down and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale. Exhale left side down. Stay. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And right side look back and stay. Bend 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, exhale, left side, look back and stay. 1. Inhale, go back maximum. Exhale, come front. Hit bow, go back maximum. Thausa, come front. Hit bow, go back maximum. Exhale, come front. Last 2 times. Inhale, go back maximum. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Exhale, come front, forward bending, good. 1, 2, 3, 4 and zigzag one by one. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tai chai sung, tai phai lên. Left hand down and right hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, exhale, change your side. Move high, ba, bun, nam. Okay, come center, legs together, both hand over your waist and slowly rotate your hip joint. Hip joint, 1, yes, 2, 3, 4, 5, change, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same position, just right leg up and rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same left leg, chang chai. Move high, ba, bun, nam. Change, nam, bun, ba, high, move. Inhale, exhale, right side. Inhale, exhale, left side. Inhale, exhale, right side. Inhale, exhale, left side. Inhale, exhale, right side and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, exhale, left side and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Legs together, come center, high thigh length, hip bow length, Thausa, chair pose. Come to chair pose, nice. Inhale up, exhale, chair pose, very good. Inhale up, exhale, chair pose. Inhale up, exhale, chair pose. Hit violin, Thausa, chair pose. The last one, inhale up, exhale, chair pose and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Good. Catch your knees and slowly rotate your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3. Hit bow, lane, high thigh lane, go back maximum. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thausa, high thigh swam. Both hand down, catch your ankle, forehead touch to knees. Good. 1, 2, 3. Chang Phai Rasa, right leg back. Both hands side of the body, look up, chin up. 1, 2, 3. High thigh sung, Chang Chai Ra Sao, left leg back to plank pose. Body should be straight, one line and plank pose. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Cobra. Look up, chin up, Howlin McLean. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg up, Chang Fai Lin. 1, 2, 3. Chang Fai, Len Chuk, right leg front. High thigh, side of the body. Look up, chin up. 1, 2, 3, 4. High thigh sung. Chang Chai Siklen, left leg front. Catch your ankle, push your head down. Inhale, raise your both hand up. Go back maximum. Thalsa. High thigh over your chest. Namaste. Take breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Hit bow. Thalsa. One more time. Inhale. Raise your both hand up. Go back maximum. Exhale. Come front. Forward bending. Catch your ankle. Hit bow, Chang Chai Ra Sao, left leg back. Both hands side of the body, look up, chin up, high thigh sung. 1, 2, 3, 4. High thigh sung. Chang Fai Ra Sao, right leg back to plank pose. Body should be straight, one line and plank pose. 1, 2, and 3. Exhale. Chaturanga. If you cannot, you can drop your knees. Come to Ashtanga. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, Cobra. Look up, chin up, Dowlin McLean. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, downward facing dog. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, left leg up, Chang Chai Lin. 1, 2, 3. Chang Chai, Len Chuk, left leg front. High thigh, side of the body. Both hands side of the body, look up, chin up. 1, 2, 3, 4. High thigh sung. Chang Fai Siklen, right leg front. Hold your ankle joint. Forehead touch to legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit bow, high thigh lean. Raise both hand up, go back maximum. Exhale, both palms over your chest. Namaste. Take breathing. Inhale.